Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to recover cryptocurrency sent to the wrong network on Coinbase. Now, first things first, just go to Google. You can just, type in asset recovery, okay, Coinbase, and you'll come to this page. Just click on the first link. Now here, what I want you to do, remember this is only available from a web browser, and I don't want to get your hopes up. It depends on what network you have sent through. Okay, there's certain networks that is applicable for this. Okay, so you click here, you visit the asset recovery page, and then you hit continue to begin the recovery. And now you need to find the transaction. So you choose your transaction network. Okay, let's say it's Ethereum, whatever it was. You enter your transaction ID. Okay, and then your Coinbase receive address. And then you hit continue, and you'll be able to find out whether or not your cryptocurrency transfer can be recovered. If it can be recovered, we'll be guided on the next steps. But otherwise, usually, 95% of the time, it is not possible usually. So if you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.